Hello everyone, it's me JP from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I'll show you how to quickly access different ribbon tabs of a software using only computer keyboard in Windows. So without further more delay, let's begin. So here I'm not gonna use the computer mouse cursor. So here we're gonna use only the computer keyboard. So say firstly let me open one software. Say let me open one Pen 3D. So this is one software, right? So you can clearly see here are some options like brushes, menu, 2D, 3D, tabs, so tons of tabs, right? So these are called the ribbon tabs of our respective software, right? So in order to access this ribbon tabs using your computer keyboard, what you need to do is on your computer keyboard you need to press the left Alt key. Now you will see there are tons of key highlights. So here you can see on the left side, from the left side you can see in case of menu it's showing F, so you need to press F. In case of brushes you need to press A, and in case of 2D shapes you need to press 2, and so, right? So say I want to access the menu option using my computer keyboard. Now it's showing you need to press F, right? So just press the F letter on your computer keyboard to open the menu option. Now it will show you all the options available inside it. So you can see here for the back it's showing you need to press the B alphabet. For new you need to press the N alphabet, and so, right? So let us move back just by pressing B. So similarly you can do the same thing with the other software. So let me open other software also, say Microsoft Word. So once again just press the left Alt key. So you can see here it's showing all the options, and say I want to access the insert tab. Now let me press the N. Now you can see here it's showing all the key highlights for the respective options. So say I want to access the table, then I need to press the T, and now again it's showing the key highlights at the bottom. You can see insert table, draw table, so. So these tricks will work across any software. So by using this cool method, you can quickly access different ribbon tabs of a software using only computer keyboard in Windows very easily. So if you never known about these cool tricks, then you should definitely give it a try. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button, and lastly, thanks for watching.